Hey guys, Daniel with Tile. We're just doing a walkthrough. Tuesday afternoon job walk. 2 rows of 2x4 tiles with last clips installed. We're finished. We got barely enough tile to finish. We'll see how it goes tomorrow. And we're cutting it super duper close. Well, this came out nice. Nice and flat, even though these tiles are imperfect. They got super deflection on them. They're super bowed, but we got them flat as possible with these last clips. Anyways, stay tuned for more, guys. Thanks for watching. I'll get you some more content tomorrow.